Presentation Management 01. Ending the tangled mess of PowerPoint. PowerPoint culture is the slide-making and presenting process that has ruled many offices and organizations over the last 3 decades. Let's meet Jane, who has been asked to create a presentation for tomorrow's meeting. She knows what her boss will speak about, but she has so much more work to attend to, and she doesn't have much time to create something fresh and inspiring. She fires up PowerPoint and adds the first slide. She adds some more slides that her boss could use. Due to an emergency, she can't reach out to her boss. So, she copies the agenda from an older presentation and makes edits. Yes, this is not very inspiring, but what else did you expect? She quickly adds a slide for question time, and finishes the deck with a thank you slide. Now, this story of Jane may appear exaggerated. But that's the whole problem. It's not exaggerated at all. Far too many presentations are created exactly as described, and that's what we call PowerPoint culture. Some people are not so polite. They call it death by PowerPoint. And that's not fair at all, because PowerPoint did nothing to deserve this bad name. Do you now understand what a tangled mess our PowerPoints weave? You can understand this sort of PowerPoint culture better with 3 steps. 1. The first step, of course, is the tangled mess that Jane exemplifies. 2. This is Slide Library 1.0, a repository of slide content ready to use for sudden presentations. Jane could have benefited from some sort of slide library that could be searched. 3. Is Slide Library 2.0, an evolution of Slide Library 1.0. Slide Library 2.0 is an entirely new way to make, manage, use and even think about the slides that are so critical to businesses. Yes, there is so much that is about to change. There is an entirely new way to make, manage, use and even think about the slides and decks that are so critical to business organizations. The discipline of presentation management stores and manages slides in the cloud, so that the slides can easily be used, reused, shared, updated, tracked and organized for the whole enterprise. In the next post and video within this presentation management series, we will look at what's wrong with the way PowerPoint is used.